you get a lot of product in there. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's Victoria. Today we're going to be talking about a very unique brow pencil that I found. And oftentimes I don't like to dedicate an entire video to a brow pencil unless it's something that is just like super interesting or just I really want to focus on the brow pencil. This is a universal pencil, so they say. It does say on the side of the box that it works for most hair colors and skin tones. I find that claim to be so, that's just like tough, because there is no such thing. There really cannot be like a universal shade. There's too many different hair colors. Like, this is by the brand $1 Billion Brows. It's regularly $18, first of all. I got this at Marshall's for $4. I love Marshall's finds. But it has 5 stars on their website. Like, 5 out of 5. There's 43 total reviews. I think this product is one that can mostly be found in like BoxyCharm. It has been featured in Ipsy before too. There was a whole bunch of different brands that it kind of connects with. I've never heard of this before. Let's try it out. Ooh, okay, so I already knew it does come with a spoolie on one end, which I like. This is a nice spoolie. I don't know why there's, like, honestly, there can be a difference in good spoolies versus bad ones. This is a nice one. It's just more stiff and it really brushes through the brows really nicely. Let's look at the actual brow pencil. I just don't feel like this is going to be my shade, you guys. It's so light. I don't know. Let me tell you what I usually use. So this is the shade that I generally go for. It's a lot darker than this pencil is, you guys. This is the soft brown pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I probably could go a little bit darker than this, but I'm using this up before searching for another one. I do like how it kind of swivels out. Ooh, you get a lot of product in there, so that's awesome. We've got you close and personal. Let's just dip into it. That's just so light, you guys. Stop it. How is this gonna even work? I wish I could lift this eyebrow. I can only do this one. So that's the difference between a really light sweep and then if you really build it up. The only thing is it does feel a little bit waxy, but it's not horrible. I'm gonna do the other brow and then we can talk about it. I mean, the color looks perfect. Like, I feel like this is the best match my brows have ever had. The color is seriously fantastic. Look at the photo. Like, it really shows that you can go from light to dark, before, after. What? I am just super blown away by this. Super. One perfect shade. I love that it's also cruelty free. The only thing I have to say, oh, it's not waxy anymore. What? It was so waxy when I first put it on and now it's not. Okay, this is one of my new favorite pencils now. What on earth? Maybe you guys will find this at your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx too. This is amazing. Okay, enough. I cannot believe I love this much. Okay, $1 Billion Brows. That is super awesome. I need to add a brow highlights really quick. I'm gonna use the Proof is in the Pudding palette because we're doing a review on that today too. That's what I have on my eyes. I love Anastasia still because with the pomade I'm able to do like really thin swipes and I really like that look. But this is fantastic for like a faster solution. I would probably give this 5 stars too. My goodness. And it was $4. This would be an awesome gift too because it would fit most, I feel like, more brown shades. I don't so much feel like this would fit blonde or like redheads or something, but brown. Cool. I have to try this on my sister. She's going to be coming up on Wednesday and she has super dark brows. So I might test this out on her and give you guys an update and see how it might look on her. All right, that was everything for today. I know it was like a little short, but this was worth it. This is definitely a new favorite for me. I'm still blown away that this is actually that good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you back soon. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified and become part of our YouTube family. I would absolutely love to see you back soon. And yeah, hope you have a great rest of your day. Mwah.